Hey everybody, what's up? So, what we have today, I have another new locomotive. This is a Walthers Mainline ES44 Evolution Locomotive. So, I got Norfolk Southern here. I ordered this from Main Model Works. Well, it's for a pretty good price. It was like only $95. And while I opened my package, I somehow received this along with it, even though this is not what I ordered. But this is like an open stake bed utility truck. This is not what I ordered. But oh well, I guess this is not so bad. I think I might hold on to it. So we'll just set that out of the way and get on to the review with the Walthers Jibo. So okay, there it is. Just lift this up. And just like the SD70s, the plow is already equipped on it. So we'll just pull the engine out like this, and there it is. Here we got the locomotive out of the box. I think that's all. So I'll just set this locomotive on the tracks. Alright, so now that we've got the locomotive out of the box, let's get on with the review. So, cab review, as you can see, there are no details. There's no grab irons, there's no windshield wipers, the MU hoses and cables, not there. It's got ditch lights though, and for the Norfolk Southern version, the headlights in the correct location. And I really love the black number boards. Those are really cool. Because I'm pretty sure like the real 84 one doesn't have the black number boards anymore. And the handrails, I just noticed that these are not correct. These are like the BNSF, Union Pacific, KCS, or Canadian Pacific Ferromix style handrails. So, although it's no big deal. Yeah, you even love the KD couplers it comes with. Yeah, it's got the 4-piece window cab, which is correct for this version of Norfolk Southern Jibo. And roof details actually really nice. I love, except and it's just that you might want to apply a few decals on here because it's missing one of them. Smokestack's really nice. Got a nice K5HL horn. Paint job is pretty good, and lots of amazing detail in the fuel tank. And not the same as the trucks. And then we'll go to the back side here. The back side, as you know, there's no ditch lights at the back and KD coupler, and also same with no MU hoses as well. And all that. So here's the underbody detail. Truck's really nice. It says Walthers underneath the fuel tank. Now we'll take on a look at the other section. Oh, page back on the tracks. Everything looks really nice here. Let the AC battery door, battery box. I think that's what's it called. And these, and it's got the 3. I'm not sure what vent like things. That's correct for Norfolk Southern. Yeah. And lots of neat detail. And also, they also added the E-bell, which is right here, as you can see. So let me focus. The E-bell's right there by the fuel tank. So it looks good. And the steps aren't see-through since it's a Walthers Mainline, and then it's usually the detail line where you're supposed to apply your own detail stuff, but still, great locomotive. So now let's let's see how this locomotive runs. See, the ditch lights light up. It's got, looks like it has LEDs and lights. So here it is. That's how it runs. And we'll put in reverse. It runs really nice in reverse as well. So, runs really nice and really nice locomotive, and I hope to get more of these ES44 locomotives sometime in the future because I really like these. Because I'm excited for the second run, which will include like other more new railroads like such as City Rail. They got Iowa Interstate, and you even got the CP Olympic, ex Vancouver Olympics, BNSF, ES44AC, and then the UP 2500 series. Those are some pretty good paint schemes coming out, and as well as KCS. So after all, that's basically my review for the Walthers Mainline ES44AC. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.